Today's episode is very useful. What Americans say instead of goodbye.
Yes, many learners only say goodbye, but Americans use many natural ways to end a conversation.
Before we start, please comment bye from your country. And don't forget, like, comment, share.
Part 1. Why you should not always say goodbye.
John, is goodbye wrong?
No, it is correct, but it can sound too formal or not natural in daily life.
Yes, Americans usually use shorter and softer endings.
Part 2. Most common ways to say goodbye in the USA.
1. Bye. Very simple. Bye. Bye-bye.
2. See you later. Very common. See you later. See ya.
3. Talk to you later. Used when you will message or talk again.
4. Take care. Very friendly and warm. Take care.
5. Have a good day. Very polite. Have a good day. Have a nice day.
6. See you soon. Used when meeting again soon.
7. Catch you later. Very casual slang. Catch you later.
8. I gotta go. Very natural spoken English. I gotta go.
9. I'm off. Short and casual. I'm off.
10. Have a good one. Very American. Have a good one.
Part 3. Real-life conversation examples. Coffee shop goodbye. Okay, I gotta go.
Yeah, me too. See you later.
Take care.
You too.
School/work goodbye. I'm off now. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too.
Friend goodbye.
Catch you later.
Bye-bye. Part 4. Funny story.
Lily, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
Someone said, see you later, and I waited for 3 days in the same place.
Part 5. Embarrassing story. I have one too. Someone said, take care, and I said, take what?
No.
Part 6. How to choose the right goodbye. Here is a simple guide. Friends, bye. See you. Catch you later. Normal situations. Take care. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Formal situations. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Part 7. Practice section.
Repeat after me. See you later.
Take care.
Have a good day.
Catch you later.
Let's practice a real ending conversation.
Okay, I have to go now.
Me too. See you later.
Take care.
You too. Have a good day. Don't always say goodbye.
Use variety.
Match the situation.
Friends versus formal matters.
Keep it short.
Short equals natural.
Smile when saying goodbye.
Tone is very important.
Dear learners,
You don't need perfect English.
you just need natural phrases.
Practice a little every day.
Today, we learned 10 ways Americans say goodbye.
Casual versus formal endings.
Real conversations.
Natural expressions.
And remember, goodbye doesn't have to be boring. Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you feel more natural now.
Please don't forget, like, comment, bye from my country, share.
See you next time.